One point is there. Be careful. You can add these three array if the number of location is same. If they are having 5 location, if they are having 10 location, if they are having 1 location or 2 location, you can add it. It's clear. While you are going for adding, subtracting, the number of locations should be same. Then you can go for the output. If it is A, B, and C, if you want to add it, for example, the size should be same, A6, B6, and or A6, B6, and C6. If you add it, you can, what is the outcome? If you add these three array, what is the result? How many elements?
So 6.
6, because you having 6 location. Add first location, first one, second location, second, third location, up to 6. Means if you add it, you having again 6 location. Means to store the data, again you record another more location, or that is array type. Okay, so I can put it like this way: D6 plus equal. It's clear? A plus B plus C equal to D. Means what to do? First, I have to input array A. How many elements? How many elements is there?
6.
6. Similarly, B again 6 elements. Means for inputting array A, I have to generate how many address? 6 address. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to A6. It's clear? So before going to the program, first you have to declare the array. How many arrays is there?
4 array.
4 arrays. So first you have to declare it. What is the type? Whether it is integer, real, or character. Okay. So for that you have to put int A7, B7, C7, and D7. That's clear. You have to declare like this way. Why I'm putting 7? Always try to write the program one more space what you are going for. It's clear. If you want to go for your application having 5 elements, always occupy 6 space. It's clear. If you are having 10 elements in the array in your application, you have to occupy 11 space, one more than that. Otherwise, sometimes it's having some garbage problem. What is garbage problem? I'll tell later. Okay, whatever application you have, suppose you have 4 elements in the array, then you have to declare it 5. Here, how many I have? 6. I declare it one more, that is 7. Is visible?
Yes, sir.
One more than that. I having 6 location in application, but I declare 7. So this is similar to int A, int B, int C, int D. Means where we can go for D equal to A plus B plus C. Addition of 3 number. Same way here also, we are adding 3 array, not single data. More than 1 data, that is 6. Okay. So how to go for a? How to go for a? I have to generate the address. Isn't it? A means A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. How to go for that? I need one for loop. Increment I value 1 to 6. Okay. So for that, it's clear. I write one for loop where I start from 1 up to less than equal to 6. It means it will go for A1, A2, A3 up to A6. So the address is like this. So I am giving for A only. Okay. Similar, it will go for B, C, D, whatever. I am going for A only. Now what to do? I have to put some value over here. Isn't it? I have first occupy. How I am occupying? By going to this statement. Int A7. Int A7 means it will occupy these spaces. Nothing else. Computer, it will occupy these spaces. Accordingly, it having some address A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. It's already generated by the system, not we people. Okay. Now what to do? Within these addresses, within this location, I have to input the data. So first location, suppose I am putting some value 2. In this case, 2 is where? In which location? In array A, 2 is available in which location?
So first location.
Location
First location. What is the address?
So A1.
A1.
A1. So in array, always take care about address. Don't go for the data. Okay. The manipulation is only with the help of address, not data. So to add this A1 value 2 with B1 value 5. You see, what is the first value in B1?
5.
5. Now, suppose B6 having 3. In B6, what is the value?
3.
3. Okay, fine. Now, if you want to add 3 with this value, what is this?
2.
2. Okay. 3 with 2, you can add 3 plus 2. Okay. For that purpose, you have to find the address. So 3 is available where?
B6.
B6. So it will be B6 plus A1. Means you have to write like this. Is visible? Here. Like here. If you want to add 3 with,
A1.
visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
visible. 3 with,
Yes, sir. A1.
don't go for A1. If you want to go for data, 3 and what?
2.
2.
2. So you can't put 3 plus 2. You have to write like this way. It's clear. It will only take care about the address, not data. Okay. Now I have to generate the address. So first for loop, I create the different address. Then I have to input the data. So what is the statement for input? Hello?
Scanf.
Scanf. Okay, fine. So scanf. So what is the variable name? I put scanf. Then what to do?
%D.
%D. What is the variable name?
A1.
What is the variable
AI.
name? Huh? AI. Exactly.
AI.
AI. Not. Oh, no. Variable name is A subscripted
AI.
value, because here I am using for I, na. So it should be AI. So it's clear.
Yes, sir.
It's clear. This is similar to single variable, but you are using array. That's why the statement is 2 line. Okay, not single line. First, you have to go for the addresses by using for loop. Then you have to go for the input statement. Okay, fine. A is over. Now to go for B, what to do? To go for B, what to do? Tell. Tell. To go for B, first we need,
Can
what do we need?
input function.
Tell me the steps for going to B. Okay. What is the statement I have to write? First, I have to generate the address. We'll take care.
Sir,
For
for
loop.
loop.
For loop, exactly. For loop, same way, 6 address. I is less than 6, I plus plus. So I generate the address. Next, what to do?
Sir, scanf.
Input.
Scanf.
Input.
Fine. Scanf, then ampersand B. It's clear. So
Yes,
first two statement is for input A. Second two statement for input what? B.
B.
So how many array we have? How many is there? A, B, and C. So we have input how many? 2. A and
B.
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 Means I have to repeat it again for C. Now you see it's clear or not? I have written this program to input array A, B, C. So anyone can tell what is missing right now? From top to bottom, anything is missing? If I start from void main,
So declaration of.
I'm giving void main over here. Okay. Then starting brace, then I'm going. Anything is missing? Let's see.
So declaration of I.
Yeah, exactly. At the same time here you declare I. I missed that one. Okay. Because I is using as a variable. Okay. So what is our intention? Intention is to add A plus B plus C. Okay. Where it will be available after adding? It will available in D. Okay. So how many data will be there? After
6.
adding these 3, how many data will be there? 6. Means
6.
I have to generate again these 6 addresses. Okay. To generate these 6 addresses, what we record? We record again
For loop.
for loop, exactly. So I make this for loop. Anyone can tell next step what to do?
Input function.
Input. What you are going
Scanf.
for? No. We have already input A, B, C, isn't it? By going through this, I have already inputted how many input?
3.
3.
3. So what is our intention? Our
AI
intention
then.
is what?
AI plus
A
BI
plus B plus C.
C.
So I have already inputted A, B, C. Now what is our intention? This is for what
Calculation.
purpose? Yeah, that the calculation is what?
A plus B
Addition.
plus
Calculation is what? Addition.
Addition.
Isn't it? Addition means what is the addition formula here? Where it will be stored?
AI DI.
DI equal to?
AI plus BI plus AI.
Yeah. So this is the calculation, okay? And don't treat that this is a bracket, okay? Second bracket. It is a square bracket, okay? This is not a bracket, simple bracket. This is square bracket. This square bracket represent array. Now it's over. Over means we have already added A plus B plus C stored in D. Now what to do?
Print it.
Print.
Printf. How many element is there? Output how many element?
Sir, 6.
6. So you require 6 addresses. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You require how many addresses?
6.
6.
6. To go for this 6 address, what to do?
To generate the locations.
Who will take care about the addresses?
For loop.
For loop.
What you require? One for loop. Okay. If you don't put for loop, it will display only one element, not 6 elements, because you are going for only one address. If you go for loop, it will generate 6 address and 6 output. So put one for loop. Now your program is over. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Print it.
Huh? Is it clear?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
So if
here
you have
you have to have
well,
printf, I guess, not scanf.
yeah. This should be printed because output. Okay, make it correct. So if I ask you, so can I view all together in the screen? Is it possible? Hello?
Sir?
Can I view all together in the screen?
Yes, sir.
Just show me one snap.
Sir, I'm making you the host.
Better you do yourself, just show me. It's not possible.
No, sir.
Then what to do?
Sir, it's clear. Sir, whatever you are saying, it's clear to us. No problem, sir.
Then I want to see the string now. How many string is there?
42.
Sir, 42.
To participate.
42. No, you can bring in the screen. It's not possible.
Sir, you have
Sir,
the
it is only for the host.
sir, you have an option called participants in the bottom.
Acha. Just let me see once. Huh? Participant. Okay. Then what to do?
Sir, everyone names will appear.
The name is there. The visual is not available.
Sir, visual is also available if you go for gallery view.
Gallery view.
So top
Where
right.
it is?
So
Top
right.
right. Gallery view is not there.
I guess this is only for the host.
Okay.
Oh,
Maybe. Can you shift it one after another? So I have seen only two faces. Can you make it rotation wise one after another, one after another?
So you
Sir,
can
no need.
swipe right, then you can.
Okay.
So if you use in a laptop, then it's more user friendly.
But I don't have a laptop right now. I am in the remote place. Still I am doing this thing. Okay. Okay, whatever. Where is Jadov?
So
Jadov.
Ankit Yadav.
Where is he?
Sir, he is with us.
Us. I have not seen him.
Sir, he just disconnected.
Achha. Okay, come to the point. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
This is an array. I have not given any name till now. Okay. Suppose this is A. The name is array is A. Okay. How many elements is there?
Sir, 6.
6. Okay, fine. Now my question is that this is in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is not it?
Yes, sir.
It is in serial order.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is to make it reverse. Reverse means while you are displaying, first it will come 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how to do. Anyone? Question is clear.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
This is an array. Value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
I am talking about this one. This is one array. The value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whatever. It is in serial,
Yes, sir.
ascending order. Now you have to write a program to make it like this way. Seven, 6, 5. You have to write a program to make it this. Initially, you have to input this value. After going to the program, your output will be this one. It's clear? No.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will use for loop from I equal to 6 in the opposite direction.
Can anyone
That-
develop the program and show it to me? Just write
Okay,
the
sir.
logic. No need to declare it again. Okay. Just show me the logic.
Sir,
रुक रुक सर नहीं है.
Yes. Size greater than 1, I make plus minus 5. Sorry to all. And ask whether they are able to get it or not. Just you do one thing, generate the address in opposite way. In this case, you see, initially what is there? Initially this is one there. This is the array, is that it? What is the first value? 1. Where it is available?
A1.
Which location? I am not giving the address over here. By default, this is, if this is array A, the first location is A1,
A1.
A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Okay. Now what to do? You have to display the value. As I have already mentioned, in array, your data is manipulated with the help of addresses. So let me give the address first. Now you see, this is the initial array. Okay, is visible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is the initial array. The first value 1 is available where? A1. Okay. Likewise, all the values in corresponding addresses. Now, what is my question? My question is that make it that bottom one is up. Okay. Make the bottom one is up means to display which value first? The bottom one. Because what is the first value? In this area, what is the first value?
7.
7. Where 7 is available? In the bottom.
A7.
What is the corresponding address?
A7.
A7. So display A7 first. Next, what is there? 6.
6.
Where is 6 is available?
A6.
A6. So if I display this address reverse way, I will get this information. Isn't it? So develop
Yes,
one
sir.
for loop in descending order. Descending order means start from 7, decrement by 1 up to greater than 1. Because our minimum address is A1. And display means printf over. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Now another
Yes, sir.
question. Here, how many is there? 7. If I ask you, add the odd address value and display the result. Add the odd address value. How many addresses there?
7.
7. So how many odd address will be there? 1, 3, 5, 7, 4.
4.
So what is the corresponding value? 1 having 1,
Hmm.
3 having
3.
5, 4, 5 having 5,
5.
7 having 7. Add it. So if you add it, how many output will be there?
So 1.
1. So no need to go for loop. Okay. So can you go for the logic for this? Write a program to add the odd address value and display it. If the question is like that, consider this array. Okay. Write a program to add the odd address element and display the result. Just show me. অকমান সেইটো শিকাই আছো টোটেল 120 জন It's over.
Yeah.
So, no one.
Sir.
Bring closer. This is I equal to 1, I less than equal to 7,
7. I equal to
I
plus 2.
I plus 2. That we can. Everyone getting the logic or what? Tell something. It's clear or not? Because we are looking for which address? Odd address.
Odd number.
Odd address means 1, 3, 5, and 7. So start a for loop starting for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 7, I plus equal to 2. So if I put this way, I value will be what? Initially, I value will be,
1.
are you getting? 1, it's become or what? This is correct way, no?
The previous one is correct.
Sure. Now?
Sir, it is.
Sir,
It's okay.
उल्टा आ गया.
उल्टा आ गया.
So it is upside down.
अभी
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I start from 1, so it will increment by 2. 1 plus 2 how much?
3.
3.
3.
3.
So 3 is also odd address. Then plus 2 again. 3 plus 2.
5.
5 again odd address. Plus 7. Okay. 2 plus 5 plus 2 7. Okay. So if I ask you for even address, what to do? If I ask you
I
even
equal
address,
to
then what
2.
to do? Yeah.
I equal to 2.
I start from 2 and remaining will be as it is. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
question is that if I ask you write a program to create an array having 10 elements, okay, in 10 elements, are you getting? So this is clear. I created an array having 10 elements. Is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. How many elements is there? 10.
And
Means how many location is there?
10.
10.
10 elements. So my question is that add all the elements and show the result. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Add all the element and show the result. Can you go for that? Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
I having one array having 10 elements. So 10 elements is you can put your side. This is for my example. Okay. Add all the elements one after another and give the result. So how many output?
One.
So 1.
Output is 1. Okay. Means what to do? It is I will give you one hint. It is similar to your summation of series. Okay. Summation of series means first we have to use one variable.
For loop.
For loop is required because I have to generate the address. I require one variable with starting value. In series we should do na. What is that?
0.
We use one variable. This what?
Yes. Sum equal to 0. Sum.
Yeah, as sum, s or sum, whatever, sum equal to 0. So with that variable, what to do? Add address one after another. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
take
sir.
one variable, sum equal to 0. With that variable, add the first address, then second address, then third address, fourth address, fifth address, continue. And addresses is continuous, sequential. Use on for loop. Repeat it. Just go. Let's see. Just try it. Let's see. Just try it. It may be wrong also. Just try. Also. Make it 90% turn.
90%.
Okay, okay. It's not just wait. S equal to 0. No.
So I
No.
have skipped the input part.
No, forget about input. Just go for the logic. In logic, you having problem. You have to generate the address, na. Otherwise, how can you go for? And another is S equal to 0 is fine. So in series, what you used to do? S equal to
0.
I taught in the class S equal to what? Whenever you are going for some summation, na, sum equal to sum plus whatever you are going for. Is that it?
Yes, sir.
So S equal to 0, you have already initialized. Okay, fine. Then S equal to S plus the expression. Here
AI.
expression is what? The address. Okay.
AI.
Sir, is the correct?
S equal to 0 initially, then go for one for loop for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, okay? Then what to do? S equal to S plus,
Yeah.
you see,
AI.
I have shown you. It's clear.
Sir.
This side, S equal to 0, I repeat one for loop, then S equal to S plus AI.
AI.
First AI means I will be what?
1.
First I will be what? 1. 1 means which location? That 1 plus 0. Okay. So S become 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, now s equal to 1. Now again repeat I equal to
2.
2.
2.
I equal to 2 means A2. A2 means
5.
5. 5 plus earlier what is there?
1.
1. 1 plus
A1.
5? 6.
6.
Okay, now new s will be 6. Then I become 3. So s equal to 6 plus A3. A3 is what?
Minus 7.
Minus 7.
-7.
Minus 17. So 6 minus 17. Likewise, it will continue. It's clear. Just you need the logic, this logic. I am not giving the input part and output part. Okay, I am just giving the logic. Now, similar way, if I ask you add all the even element, all the odd element. Okay. Now, one point is there. This is single dimension array. It's fine because I told you if I put for loop I equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. If I put this for loop, what happen? If I put for loop, then what happen?
Increase the data by 1.
I'm not giving, just I equal to this. What happen? I value having 1,
1 to 10.
2, 3, 4 up to 10 means
10.
it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 like this way, isn't it?
Yes.
I value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. It's clear
Yes, sir.
or what? Okay. Now I'll go for a new thing. Be careful. For I equal to 1, I less than 2, I plus plus. For I equal to 1, I less than 2, I plus plus. If I put 2 consecutive for loop, then what will happen? Till now, you are putting only single for loop, whatever you did, isn't it? Whatever program you did till date, only using single for loop, isn't it? Now, if I put 2 consecutive for loop, then what will be the scenario? It's clear.
2 dimensional
Now
array.
you see, huh? Hello? Are you getting?
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear. I equal to 1, I less than I plus plus less than 2. Next one is j equal to 1, j less than 2, j plus plus. Not clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. How many variable I have?
2.
2 variable. That is I and j.
J.
Okay. Now, once you put this in program, what happen? I equal to 1. First, it will work for the upper loop. Upper loop is what? I. Lower loop is j. Be careful. First loop is variable I. Second loop is variable j. Now you come I equal to 1. So it will come to the next loop. For I equal to 1, as I have given here, it will come to the next loop. And repeat the j fully. Repeat j fully means now you see. For I equal to 1, okay, it will go to the below loop. That is j. So j repeat how many times? What is there? J equal to 1, j, what is there? It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
J equal to 1, j less than
Equal to 2.
equal to 2, j plus plus. So I equal to 1, j will repeat how many times? 1 and 2 only? Is it? For I equal to 1, J will repeat 1 and 2. Then it will move to the upper loop. Upper loop means I become
2.
2. Over. Now it's clear? I equal to 1, J will repeat all the value. All the value means less than equal to 2 means 1 and 2. Okay. Now it will go to upper loop. Upper loop means I become 2. It will repeat 3. Again, how many?
3.
2. No, what is the maximum value?
2.
Maximum value is 2. So that's why 1 and 2. Again, it will go to the upper loop. Upper loop means what is the condition? Less than equal to 2. So it will stop. No more further go. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will change slightly. Huh? Now you go for the below part. Okay. Upper loop is I, below is J. So I will repeat how many times?
3 times.
3 times. Below 1 will repeat. Again 3, less than equal to 3. Isn't it? Now upper one you see how many times it will repeat total? How many times? In upper case, this for this expression, how many times it will repeat? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How can I know this one? Because you go for the maximum value. Upper one is 2 and below one is 2. 2 to the 4. Okay. Now here you see what is the maximum value?
3.
Here
3.
3 to the
9.
9. So whatever you are written here, whatever statement you have written here, it will repeat 9 times. Okay. Now how it will repeat, I will show you. So I equal to 1. Okay. They will repeat how many times?
3.
3. You see. I equal to 1. They will repeat 3 times. Now I become J turn is over, maximum 3. Now it will go to upper. Upper is means I equal to now 2. Okay. Then J repeat how many times?
3 times.
3 times. Now again I having one more chance. That is what? Less than equal to 3. So I become 3. J become it's over. So how many times it repeats?
9
plus
times.
3 plus 3 9. Now it's clear. Now if I put 3 consecutive for loop, then what happen? Okay. Now this is 2. If I put 3, then what happen? So this is visible.
Yes.
Okay. I am using how many variable?
3.
3 I, J, and K. So I will vary from 1 to
3.
3. J will vary from
1 to 2.
1 to 2. K will vary from
1 to 3.
1 to 3. Be careful, na? For I equal to 1, J will repeat how many times?
2 times.
2 times. For J equal to 1, K will repeat how many times?
3 times.
3 times. Then it will go to the upper. Okay. Similarly, it will repeat. Now, what will be the table? Now it's clear?
Yes.
I equal to 1, J will be 1 and 2. J equal to 1, K will be 1, 2, 3. J equal to 2, 1, 2, 3. It's clear? Now I become, next step I become what? 2. Now you see, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will move up to, what is the maximum value of I?
3.
3, so it will go one more steps. Now I think it is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
How many times it will repeat? 3 3s are 9 into, how many the maximum value? I equal to 3, J equal to maximum value 2, and K equal to maximum
3.
3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 into 2, how much?
18.
18. You count. 18 is there. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I do slight thing change over here. Can you solve this problem? First, note it down. You note it down. Logic is clear. Or I make slight change over here if you are having confusion.
So please show it again.
Just wait. I make some correction so that you can get it. S equal to 0 for I equal to 1 2, I less than 3, for J equal to 1 2 less than 2, K equal to I plus J, S equal to S plus I plus J, K equal to I plus J, S equal to S
S
plus
is equal
K,
to S plus K.
S plus K, S initially 0, top S initially 0. Okay, can you solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just go. Make the table first. and corresponding value you add it. Simple है थोड़ी तो ठीक है सन
Estimate. I3 जाएगा ना
Plus 1, 4.
What is the result?
21.
21.
So 21. 21.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, is it in my case this is 22. See, according to the table, you see where you have
22.
made mistake. You just compare with your result.
Sir, in your second step, oh,
I make mistake.
Sir, it should be 1 plus 2.
sir 1 plus 2 equal. So second step में 1 plus 2 होगा
2
शायद.
plus 1, 3. I
1
think.
plus 2.
Yeah. It's okay. 21. Okay, you're correct.
Yes, sir.
Now thing is that it's coming 9:30. Are you feel hungry or what?
Sir,
No, sir.
Sir,
It's
we
not.
Sir,
already
very
took
much
dinner.
hungry.
Okay,
No, sir, we are
you do
very
one
hungry.
thing. Next, you see, I just mentioned the point. You were saying hungry or whatever. Next time you decide the timing, okay,
sir.
and inform me 2 or 3 hours before so that I can arrange myself.
Okay, sir.
I'll leave it today. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.